OMG, friends. What I just got for $74 is amazing. Okay, so it's Saturday morning and I'm getting ready to go to the 50% off sale at Salvation Army. They do it like, I don't know, every couple months or something. And since I don't have any type of sales at my Goodwill, they don't do 50% off or anything anymore, not for 2 years. It's really important that I get to this sale. Anyway, I'll try and take you into the store a little bit. I'll definitely do a haul of the things I bought, and I'll see you in there. Okay, here we are at Salvation Army, 50% off day. I'm going to take a look at some of these dresses. Dresses are normally $7.99. So half off, that means getting a dress for $4. And you never know what you're going to find at Goodwill. Check out this funny shirt. What is this about? Let's flip through this section while we're here. I liked this Banana Republic top, but I'm filming this in October 2022. It's probably a little out of season. And I'm telling you, I love everything by this brand. This is Knox Rose for Target. I left those on the shelf for $4, seemed a little much to pay for Target, but look at all that boho goodness. Embroidery, I love everything by Knox Rose. My cart is getting overflowing, so I'm going to have to sort soon. This sweater felt so good. But there was no name brand in the neckline. So let's take a look. I'm gonna look for the material tag because I have a suspicion it's Eileen Fisher. And it is, you can see on the tag, it says Green Eileen. They want their clothes back. This is not a very big store at all, but didn't stop me from finding a lot of stuff. So let's go through some of the stuff that I'm picking up to flip on eBay, Poshmark, and whatnot. These are frame denim, a very expensive brand. And these were like a burgundy velvet. I've sold these before. They're called the La High Rise Skinny. So I'm gonna take those. And this was a new to me brand. This is a flannel dress, and it was really cool. It was asymmetrical hemline, which I love. I love using that keyword. And it's actually Anthropologie. I'll show you the tag. It's Isabella Sinclair, and it's a size large. So I'm going to take this one with me. This is a new to me brand, Viva Maria. It's a size large. It's a very expensive brand. I was debating this one because it had no belt, but I figure someone can put their own belt on, so I'm going to take that one for $4. I love this Anthropologie brand. I think it's pronounced Edme and Esselite. I'll show you the tag again, but they make the Swedish vintage inspired clothing. This one had silk trim. How do you guys think you say that name? Great brand to pick up. I went back and forth on this. I really like selling Ralph Lauren. It does well. This is everything because it was linen and plus size. I love that kind of hem detail there, but I found some stains on it. So I was really trying to be selective because even at half price, it's not bins prices, and it's a drag to bring things home and then have to stain treat and everything. I'm definitely picking up that Eileen Fisher sweater for $4. I don't know this brand Lemon Way. Do you guys? But I loved the colors and print on this cardigan, and it was plus size. I'm always looking for cute plus size, but I found some stains on that one. This is the brand Daydreamer. This is a really good brand. They're best known for their graphic tees, and I love a good elbow patch. Sweaters were also $7.99, so for $4, I'm taking this Daydreamer with me. Wish it was a graphic tee. It would be worth a lot more. I love this brand Vince, V-I-N-C-E period, not Vince Camuto. A very expensive brand, sold at Nordstrom and stores like that. But look at the hem on this. It was sort of fraying, so I had to leave that behind. Too bad. I like selling that brand. What are these? I've never seen anything like these. They'd be perfect for like Burning Man or something. They were cheaply made, but really fun. And you can see I'm sorting with our friend Stephanie, which is really fun. This is not a brand I'm familiar with, but it was a plus size, kind of a heavy knit sweater coat, so I bought that. A lot of this already sold for me on Whatnot. Carol Little, size 2X, heavily embroidered jacket. Yes. Jackets are $9.99, so I did pay $5 for this, but great style on this with all the embroidery, and a plus size is a big yes for me. And Other Stories. This is a fantastic, expensive brand. This is a little black and gold sweater that I did pick up for $4. This is one of my favorite brands. Do you guys find it? Marine Layer? I find it always at this particular Salvation Army. And this is just a crew neck sweatshirt, but it has that retro shoulder detail, so I picked that up for sure. Thank you, Stephanie, for not allowing me to bring home this Madewell sweater that needed so much sweater shaving. Such a shame, because these sweater coats do great, and it's a large, but huge project for me. I just didn't do it. Are you guys proud of me? I love this Zara sweater because of the style. Black with a gold fleck, and it had like balloon sleeves. Yes, yes, yes. I love selling my J. Jill, you guys, and this is a wool sweater in a size large. Really pretty Italian yarn in these shades of brown, so definitely picked that up. Give me those mature brands all day long. Prana. I love selling Prana, but this was just like, as my mom would say, shabby. It just was not looking fresh enough to sell. I did pick up this J. Jill barn coat though. I'm going to use keywords like quilted and barn coat, and that'll sell. I got it for $5. And some Chicos with this cool leather trim on it, and it's a size 3, which is an XL. I guess this is like a vest, a long chevron print vest for $5 with pockets. Yes, that'll sell really well for me. This is a new to me brand, the Podolls. Have you heard of it? It's designed in San Francisco. They make like really nice comfort wear for women, so I picked that up. It's a pretty expensive brand. I really wanted to make this Vineyard Vines crew neck shirt work for me, but it had some staining, but this is a really nice brand. Size large, that would have done all right. And a J. Jill size large linen sweater in this great color, but I found some staining on it. And I went back and forth about this moth for Anthropologie sweater. This color, if you don't know, looks amazing on everyone. And this was a cowl neck long rib sweater. It had a little bit of pilling, but it also had this detail down the front. You can see me looking at it, where it was almost like little holes and eyelets, and I was just afraid someone might mistake it for holes, so I passed. I passed on this Victoria's Secret pink sweatshirt, even though it was a good size. I did get this J. Crew size XL cardigan sweater. These long cardigans with pockets always seem to sell well for me, and I'm looking for size XL all the time. This was Eileen Fisher. I love selling Eileen Fisher. It was a good size and everything, but look, a little hole on the neckline, so that had to stay behind. And this Zara piece is so cool. I think it was new without tags, size large, kind of a peasant top with a pleated front. And then it had this gorgeous button detail, this flower, almost like vintage looking button. So I bought that for $4. A lot of this stuff sold right away on Whatnot, you guys. J. Crew, size 12, which I consider like an XL. And this was a button-down plaid top. I love J. Crew Black Label. It's a little higher end, and J. Crew in the large sizes is usually a yes for me. This was gorgeous. J. Jill denim, and it was that Tencel Lyocell, and it was all embroidered. Ooh, I let this go really inexpensively on Whatnot, but that's a great piece. Would have done great on eBay for me. This is Loft. It's like the softened collection. And I got this for me because wait until you see the print. Is that not so cool? Great colors and flowers. So that's a Quenby work top for sure. This is probably the best item I found. Memorize that tag. Citron Santa Monica, size 1X. It's 100% silk. They make these Asian-inspired printed tunics and things. This will probably sell between $70 and $100. I'm going to show you some of the comps. Let's take a look. Here's one that sold for $100. These are on eBay sold. $64, all plus shipping. They seem to range the comps 45 on the low end, 100 on the high end. So I'm going to shoot in the middle, probably around $70. And I think being a plus size, 100% silk, and this really amazing brand, that should sell well for me. And it was only $4. I picked up this Madewell shirt because of the print, even though it's an extra small. I've sold this shirt before. I think it's called like the Cosmo print top, and it's sold really well in the past. So even though it's tiny, I'm going to pick it up. I'm waiting to check out, and what did I find in the artwork? This stained glass piece, and it was gorgeous. I love stained glass, you guys. But look, it was severely cracked in the corner. Oh, look at that. Just a gorgeous piece. I don't know what the price on it was. It wasn't marked, but I did find this next fun piece, which is vintage 1970s needlepoint. I think it's called Cruel. This sold immediately. I priced it at $39.99. It sold on eBay. OMG, friends. What I just got for $74 is amazing. Now, the bad news is, I get there and the parking lot's full and the doors are open. I'm like, what the heck? I'm 10 minutes early. No, hold on. I had to pull over because this stuff says free on it. So let's take a peek. Yeah, there was really nothing good there, but had to stop. Okay, I'm home. I cannot believe what I got for only $74. Jackets, sweaters, a total bolo that I think I can sell for at least $74. So what do you guys think? How do you think I did with the haul? It was weird because I drove there and the parking lot was totally full. And I'm like, wait, I'm 10 minutes early. The parking lot was full and the door was open. And I'm like, what's going on? I went in and Stephanie was already in there shopping. And I'm like, what? They opened at 9. I checked the website. They always open at 10. I've been to the sale before. They open at 10. They had opened at 9. So I'm like, you know, there are a lot of other resellers there and the store is very busy. So when I show up at 10, it's already pretty well picked over. So I don't think I found as crazy good stuff as I sometimes do, but a lot of good bread and butter. Couple really good things. I put back a lot. I did not bring home a couple things I really wanted that needed serious sweater shaving or stains. So all in all, pretty good. Tell me what you think of the haul. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed. Give the video a thumbs up on the way out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends. So that I can get things inexpensive enough. Keep my cost of goods on the clothing I buy to resell really low. I have my son, though. And he's 11, and he does not love going with Mama to the thrift store anymore. I used to be able to go, and maybe he would, like, spend an hour in there poking around, but he doesn't even like to do that anymore. Let me know in the comments, if you have kids, will they go thrifting with you? OMG, you guys. Hold on. Oh, everyone's trying to get in here. I just want to film my little video part, but there's like a line to get in. I don't love when this 50% off sale is on Saturday. Sometimes they do it on Friday, and I definitely prefer that because most people are working on Friday, so it's just not as busy. Last time I went and it was a Saturday, I was like, huh. Now I'll edit that out. Last time I went and it was a Saturday, there was a line out front. I should have put this on before, but I didn't. Mac Prep and Prime. I love this stuff.